The best way of learning is to learn from the mistakes of others. So today I'm going to show you some risky moments in which I should not have opened a trade, but I did. This will be a short video with a quick overview of some of my interesting trades. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. So the first trade, as always, I start with an analysis of 1 hour time frame. And I see that the price broke through a strong resistance level, and after that the price was strongly pushed back. Given that, I think this downward movement is just a pullback and we have an uptrend on the chart. So I want to wait until the price drops to the resistance level and open a trade in a long position. Next, I add 2 horizontal lines for convenience. The upper line is already broken resistance level and the lower line is a support level that hasn't been broken yet. So I see that the price has reached the support level and I open a trade in a long position. So my analysis sounds logical so far, right? But in fact, I made a pretty big mistake, and the fact that the trade was completed successfully is a pure luck. So let's get back in time and analyze the situation properly. As soon as I opened this chart, I immediately noticed the level breakout, and I was carried away by the analysis of this small area without paying attention to the entire history of the chart. Yes, we have an uptrend on the chart, but we also see that the price is at its peak value for last 2 weeks, and the trend reversal can begin at any time. And just as we can see on the previous week chart, after price reached this level, the trend changed and a downtrend began. Accordingly, the same trend reversal could happen at any moment when I opened a trade. This is the same chart, but 1 hour later. And as we can see, a trend reversal has begun, but I'm still thinking that this is a very large pullback, and I still believe that there is an uptrend on the chart. Next, I find a double impulse pattern. By the way, soon there will be a video about this pattern on this channel, but in short, if you see a situation on the chart where you have 2 impulses and there is a consolidation in the middle of the impulses, then as soon as the price reaches the nearest support level, the price will turn back and reach the level of the middle of consolidation. So I used this pattern and I opened a trade in a long position. And of course the price did not rise to the level of the consolidation because there is a new strong downtrend. But anyway, the pattern helped me to close this trade successfully. Well, as I said at the beginning, this is a very short video, and I hope this video helped you to better understand the chart and the price movements. Have a great profit and see you in the next video.